This smartphone fits in your hand, but its journey spans continents, mines, factories, and some of the most advanced technology on Earth. The journey begins deep beneath the Earth's surface, where valuable minerals essential to modern technology are extracted. Materials such as lithium, cobalt, nickel, copper, and rare earth elements are mined to create the components inside every smartphone.
Raw minerals are refined into highly pure materials ready for manufacturing. One of the most important materials is silicon, the foundation of the tiny computer chips that power the device. Inside some of the world's most advanced factories, microscopic circuits are etched onto silicon wafers. These chips contain billions of transistors, performing calculations at astonishing speeds. The display is manufactured separately, combining advanced materials with precision engineering. Tiny camera modules are built with extraordinary precision, allowing smartphones to capture the world around us. The battery stores energy that will power the smartphone throughout the day. Components from around the world finally come together on a sophisticated assembly line. Before reaching consumers, every device undergoes rigorous testing for quality and reliability. Once approved, the smartphones are carefully packaged for shipment. In this ultra-realistic 4K HDR environment, the future of manufacturing is already here. The rhythmic dance of the machines ensures flawless construction. Distribution centers move millions of smartphones towards stores and customers worldwide. After months of manufacturing and transportation, the smartphone finally reaches the marketplace. The journey nears its end as the device is activated for the very first time.
From rare earth mining to advanced factories and global shipping networks, the journey of one smartphone is a remarkable story of human innovation.